This is the Speedline ecosystem from BETAG Innovation. It comes with 3 speedlines, pulling elements, glue and a glue gun. It also contains the versatile Speedline Eco Bridge. It is ideal for small damage and quick repairs, whether used on a wheel well, or a sharp body line. Here's an example repair. First, mark the damage area to get a better understanding of the extent of the damage. Impact area, elastic deformation, and the crown area, which here is quite large. Then there is the body line, which will be pulled out first. For this the Speedline 16 will be used. This is ideal for a body line, as it pulls off center. Apply the glue to the Speedline. As the damage is rather large, apply glue to the whole length. Press the Speedline onto the body line. Make sure that the Speedline is firmly pressed onto the surface, and wait until the glue has cooled before releasing it. Apply the bridge to the Speedline. Place the feet on the outside of the damage area. Start applying tension, and pull the damaged area. Once the tension is built up, relieve the tension on the crown using the hammer. Repeat this process as required. Pull, then tension relief. It is important that the crown is removed as well. Remove the bridge and Speedline. Apply power knobs if required, or if some damage remains. Use the bridge to pull out the damage. Relieve the tension on the crown at the same time. Remove the bridge and power knobs. Use the wedge and hit from a shallow angle under the power knobs to remove them. Thanks for watching.